She's running out the door. She's running out. She run, 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 run. Yung sigh, yung sinadya ko lang yun. Okay? Sinadya ko lang yun. Lying beside you, here in the dark, feeling your heartbeat with mine. Softly you whisper, you're so sincere. How could our love be so blind? We sail on together, we drifted apart, and here you are by my side. So now I come to you. So now I come to you with open arms, nothing to hide. Believe what I say. So here I am with open arms, hoping you'll see what your love means to me. Open arms. Pasensya na, feeling natin po ako. Yay, maliwanag na. Pero yung mukha ko hindi pa rin.